Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back sa ating channel, and today we have some 3 topics from 3 PBA teams, TNT, Magnolia, and Terra Firma Jeep. First, para sa TNT, tropang 5G. So, nilet go na nila yung tatlong players nila with Barkley Ibonia, Jello Rason, at CJ Payawal. Plus, nag-retire pa sina Ryan Reyes at Ping Eximeniano. In short, 5 agad yung nabawa sa rotation nila entering season 50. Pero ito yung mahalaga. Hindi ibig sabihin na kulang sila kasi sobrang dami na talaga nila So you have Jason Castro, Calvin Oftana, Poy Eram, R. Pugoy, Jordan Heading. So TNT is not really desperate na kumuha pa ng another big man kasi meron pa silang Galinato, Eram, tapos flexible pa yung role players nila like Tyrus Hill na kakadating lang. So, ina-expect rin natin yung arrival ni Gio Halalon in just a few days kasi hanggang September 30 pa yung kanyang contract with Northport. So, ang mas crucial dito is yung depth nila at wing position. So, Rason and Payawal were part of that bench mob energy last season. So, without them, baka mas madaming minuto yung mapunta sa ibang guy. So, okay lang naman. Di talaga kailangan ng TNT yung mga nawala sa kanila. So, para magkaroon ng opportunity sa ibang team. So, pwede pa nga mag-explore yung TNT kung sakali ng free agents, ng shooter, and defensive stoppers para suportahan pa yung core. So, yung hinahanap ngayon ni Coach Chot is yung mga role players. So, TNT is actually streamlining their roster. They don't want to clog their bench. They want specialists. So, expect them na mag-prioritize ng guards who can defend and wings who can stretch the floor. So, instead of loading up sa mga traditional big man. So, we go to Magnolia Hotshots kasi Xavier Lucero had a promise after signing a 2-year deal. So, gusto niyang suklian yung tiwala ng Hotshots management. Alam naman natin, Lucero is one of the fastest rising stars sa PBA. Candidate pa nga siya for best player of the conference last season Pero ang interesting, bagong era na yung Magnolia under Coach L.A. Tenorio. Isang playing legend na kagaling lang ng pro career. Ngayon, siya na yung nasa bench. Ang chemistry nila with Lucero, Javi Gomez de Leano, at yung solid veteran core na Poli at Ian Sanggalang. Malaking bagay yan sa kanilang campaign. So, yung versatility ni Lucero as a forward fits Magnolia's defensive identity. He can switch on multiple positions, push the pace, and importantly, meron siyang winning mentality galing UP. So, tama lang naman siguro na pumalit na sa LA Tenorio para tingnan natin kung maging intro boys pa rin sila. And they have a good roster ngayon after signing an extension with Xavier Lucero. Lastly, para sa Terra Firma Jeep, so halos buo na yung lineup nila. Kit Saldivar at Tuki JM Bravo officially signed. Dagdag pa dyan sina Paulo Hernandez at Didat Hanapi na extend. So para sa Jeep, this is about depth and stability. So remember, they already have J.O. Chu as their number 1 pick plus Jerick Aham Nisi sa trade. Nakikita mo yung pattern. They're building a young core na may halong role player. So hindi man championship contender agad, pero ito yung Jeep na moving away from their label. Ewan ko, sana kasi ibebenta pa rin naman yung Jeep. So for sale pa rin naman siya guys. So sino yung gustong bumili dyan? So by keeping this continuity and adding young legs, so para matuwa naman yung bibili, so para magka-value. So kung mag-shine si J.O. Chu at Aham Nisi, so baka may mag-workout na deal. So ayun, nag-unload ang TNT ng 3 players at 2 retired. So yung mga teams na kailangan ng big man, pwedeng-pwede yan si Barkley Ibonia guys. So Xavier Lucero is embracing the responsibility bilang star at cornerstone ng Magnolia at Terra Firma Jeep. So sana kayo na lang yung magbigay ng takeaways dito. So ayun, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. So masaya ba yung TNT fans ngayon? And of course, yung Magnolia fans. So, what do you think? Makakaabot na ba kayo ng finals? So, this is Agon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.